Welcome to our channel. If you're someone who's passionate about digital marketing, making money online, or leveraging AI to build smart income streams, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a powerful new tool called PrompterIQ that's helping entrepreneurs, freelancers, and even total beginners generate income using nothing but simple text prompts. Now, I know that sounds too good to be true, but with the rise of AI platforms like ChatGPT and Midjourney, there's a booming market for high-quality prompts. And PrompterIQ gives you everything you need to tap into this opportunity without writing a single word or needing any tech skills. Whether you want to create prompts to sell, use them in your own business, or offer them as a service to clients, this tool makes it fast, easy, and profitable. So stay with me as we go over exactly what PrompterIQ is, its key features, how it works step by step, and why this one-time investment could be a game changer for your online business. Before we dive in, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share it with anyone who's looking to build a digital income stream with AI tools. You'll also find a link to grab PrompterIQ at a discounted one-time price in the video description below. Don't miss it. PrompterIQ is an AI-powered platform designed to help you create high-quality, ready-to-sell text prompts for platforms like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI tools, all without needing to write a single word yourself. It's built specifically for entrepreneurs, freelancers, digital creators, and marketers who want to tap into the fast-growing prompt economy without the usual learning curve. With PrompterIQ, you can generate engaging, effective prompts that drive results in areas like content creation, email marketing, e-commerce, copywriting, coaching, and much more. What sets PrompterIQ apart from traditional AI prompt tools is that it goes beyond just generating content. It's a full business building system. Instead of leaving you with a bunch of raw outputs and no direction, it gives you structured templates, real-world use cases, and commercial rights, allowing you to turn every prompt into a sellable digital product or client service. Whether you're launching a prompt shop, selling on PromptBase or Etsy, creating lead magnets, or building your own library of digital resources, PrompterIQ provides the foundation for real income generation. You don't need any technical skills, copywriting experience, or creative know-how. PrompterIQ's user-friendly dashboard makes it simple to log in, choose a niche or use case, and generate professional-level prompts in just a few clicks. It's a tool built for speed, scale, and profitability, helping you save time, reduce content creation headaches, and earn from one of the hottest digital trends right now. Whether you're just getting started or looking to expand your online income, PrompterIQ is a smart and accessible way to do it. PrompterIQ comes loaded with a suite of powerful features that truly set it apart from anything else in the AI prompt market. At the core of the platform is its unlimited text prompt creation feature. This means there are no caps, no restrictions, and no hidden limits. You can generate as many prompts as you need for blog posts, social media content, email marketing, ad copy, e-commerce descriptions, and more. Whether you're creating prompts for your own projects or selling them to clients, you'll never be held back by usage limitations. Another standout feature is the bulk prompts generator. Instead of generating prompts one at a time, PrompterIQ allows you to create hundreds of high-quality prompts in just seconds. This is a massive time saver for agencies, power users, and entrepreneurs who want to scale fast. Whether you're managing multiple clients or running a digital store selling prompt packs, the bulk feature boosts your productivity and lets you build an entire product line in minutes, not days. PrompterIQ also includes a vast library of 100+ niches and business use cases. This makes it extremely versatile and suitable for nearly any industry or profession. From coaching and real estate to digital marketing and product descriptions, each niche comes with pre-optimized templates and proven frameworks that help you create high-converting prompts with ease. No guesswork, no brainstorming, just results-driven prompt generation tailored for real-world business needs. What truly gives PrompterIQ an edge is its full commercial rights. With this license, you're free to sell every prompt you create, use them in client projects, package them as digital products, or even offer them as lead magnets. There are no royalty fees or usage restrictions. You keep 100% of the profits. It's perfect for creating recurring income streams by selling prompts on platforms like PromptBase, Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website. Whether you're freelancing or building a prompt agency, these rights give you full creative and financial control. Finally, the return on investment with PrompterIQ is nothing short of impressive. Real businesses are already reporting incredible gains from plus 847% revenue increases for agencies to plus 278% higher email open rates for SaaS companies. A typical e-commerce store could save up to 15 hours per week and generate $8,000 plus in monthly ROI, simply by using high-quality, AI-powered prompts to streamline operations and improve content. PrompterIQ isn't just a tool, it's a business asset that delivers measurable results fast. Getting started with PrompterIQ is incredibly simple. It's designed to be 100% beginner-friendly. As soon as you sign up, you get instant access to a clean, intuitive dashboard that works on any device. Whether you're on a desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone, you can log in from anywhere with just your email and password. There's nothing to download or install. Everything is hosted in the cloud, so you can start creating prompts immediately even if you've never used an AI tool before. The next step is to choose from over 100 built-in use cases or niches, depending on what type of prompt you want to create. For example, you can generate prompts for email marketing, sales funnels, blog writing, social media captions, e-commerce product descriptions, and much more. Simply select your desired use case, fill in a few quick inputs like your topic or goal, and then click Generate. Within seconds, PrompterIQ's AI goes to work and produces a fully optimized, ready-to-use prompt that's designed to get results, whether it's for ChatGPT, Midjourney, or any other platform. Once your prompt is generated, you can instantly export it with a single click. PrompterIQ's export and delivery system makes it easy to download your prompts as text files or bundle them into deliverables for clients or marketplaces. If you're selling prompts online, you can package them into digital products, set your pricing, and start earning right away. The platform takes care of the heavy lifting, no formatting issues, no rewriting needed, and no technical barriers. Just create, export, and profit. It's not easy. PrompterIQ offers unbeatable value for anyone looking to build a digital product business around AI-generated prompts. For a one-time payment of just $27, you get unlimited access to everything the platform has to offer, including unlimited text prompt creation, over 100+ niche-specific templates, the bulk prompt generator, and full commercial rights. That means you can use, sell, and resell your prompts however you like, with zero limitations and 100% of the profits going straight to you. There are no monthly fees, no upsells required to unlock core features, and no hidden costs. This incredible $27 deal, however, is part of a limited-time launch offer and is only available to the first 1,000 customers. Once that threshold is reached, PrompterIQ will move to a monthly subscription model priced at $97 per month. So if you're serious about scaling your business, building a new income stream, or simply saving time on prompt creation, now is the perfect time to act. The price you pay today locks in lifetime access, so you never have to worry about future billing or renewal fees. To make your decision even easier, PrompterIQ comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not completely satisfied with the tool or the results it delivers, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. This makes your purchase completely risk-free. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced digital entrepreneur, investing in PrompterIQ today could define the future of your business in 2025 and beyond, all for less than the cost of dinner. And that's a wrap-up of our deep dive into PrompterIQ, the ultimate AI-powered platform for creating and selling high-converting text prompts with zero tech skills required. If you're ready to turn simple AI prompts into a real, scalable income stream, don't miss this opportunity. The link to grab PrompterIQ at the special one-time price is in the description below. Make sure to check it out before the price jumps to a monthly subscription. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, share it with someone who needs this, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more tools, tips, and tutorials to grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.